Ruas Market. The vendors are now preparing their items, food items, whatever they will be offering to those who will go here tonight. This is the spot of Ruas Market. They're now on preparation. It will be a very busy place. It's nighttime. Again, I'm riding a jeepney going to SM. Welcome to my vlog. I am your vlogger. I'm returning to church. Live and alive in Davao City, embracing my new life, my new hope, my new beginning, my new communities. Okay, let me share you now our travel going to SM. Just my captured episodes as I go on with my everyday life in Davao, chilling, rejuvenating, deleting stress in my Ringdon's dictionary. It's up for us how to accept or how to face the challenges of stress in our life. So if we'll be having our positivity, then stress will be erased. So it's how we face the event or the negative situation in our life. To you how respectful, how disciplined people of Davao, especially in pedestrian line. The moment a pedestrian already stepped down, number one, the drivers of any vehicles will stop to respect the pedestrian line or pedestrian lane. They will slow down, but most of the time they will stop to ensure your safety. So here we are, showing you the street in Davao. Past 4 o'clock in the afternoon. This is the situation of the road or the traffic now. From time to time, the jeep will stop to pick up passengers that will be riding, and those passengers also are going down. Travel my downtown from Quino going to downtown Davao. Out, I think there is a traffic over there. Just do not know if that is traffic light. We have to stop. establishment only on your mind. So it's on your mind. Remember, whatever negative situation that will happen in our life, according to experts, 10% what happened. Yeah, 10%. 90% is our feedback on how we react on the given situation. So it's not actually stress that is the number one killer nowadays. It depends on how we give our reaction. I repeat, your reaction, your feedback will depend whether you can avoid stress or not. So this is my words of wisdom, my revelation, and I share it to you. Okay, meanwhile, it's continue to capture the street of Davao. This is it, we stop. But I enjoyed my riding in jeepney. It's a wonderful ride. Today is Saturday, but still the heavy traffic can be observed. And as much as this is the day that most of the workers will have work, or especially those who are in the government, will be their time to go out, and those on recreation.